How to delete old TikTok account without password, email, and phone number. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To delete your old TikTok account without any of the credentials, follow this quick and easy step. Start off by launching your TikTok application and make sure to log in if you are not logged in yet. Then tap on the profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. Now, firstly, you need to search for the TikTok account that you have, that is your old TikTok account. So go ahead and find it firstly. Select on your old TikTok account. Now, once you are in here, what you gotta do is you actually have to report your old TikTok account. To do that, tap on the search icon that is at the top and click on report. After that, you can tap on report account and select on a particular option, then click on submit. After which you need to tap on done. Now you have to repeat the same process with different account, or you can share it with the friends and your known one and ask them to report your old account. If TikTok receives more than a dozen of the report, then TikTok algorithm will automatically delete your old TikTok account. So this is a workaround to how to delete old TikTok account without password, email, and phone number. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.